How to recover your Facebook account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can recover your Facebook account. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's jump right in. First step, locate your Facebook app and then open it up. From here, type in your email address. And on the password, if you've forgotten it, tap on the forgot password option. After you do that, you can then enter out your mobile number, or you can also search by email address. Enter out your email address and then tap on continue. After you do that, they will send you a verification code in your account. So go to your Gmail. Go to your Gmail and check for the code. If you find an email like this with a code to change your password or a code with the verification, simply copy the code and paste it back on Facebook, and you will be able to log in into your account. And if you want, you can also reset your password, or you can simply skip that step. And it's that simple, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.